Sell house in disrepair to cash home buyer in Virginia. Are you struggling to sell a house in disrepair in Virginia? You're not alone. Many homeowners face the challenge of finding buyers for properties that need significant repairs. But there's a solution that's both quick and hassle-free: selling to a cash home buyer. Here are the key benefits of selling your house in disrepair to a cash home buyer. 1. Speed. Cash buyers can close deals in days, not months. This is perfect for those needing a fast sale. 2. Convenience. No need to make costly repairs or renovations. Cash buyers purchase homes as is. 3. Financial advantages. Avoid agent commissions and other fees. Get a fair cash offer and keep more money in your pocket. Let's walk through the simple steps to sell your house to a cash home buyer. 1. Initial contact. Reach out to a cash home buyer and provide basic information about your property. 2. Property evaluation. The buyer will evaluate your home, often without needing a formal inspection. 3. Receiving and negotiating offers. Receive a fair cash offer and negotiate terms if needed. 4. Closing the deal. Once an agreement is reached, close the deal quickly, completing necessary paperwork and receiving your payment. Ready to sell your house in disrepair with ease? With 3-step home sale, you can achieve a quick, hassle-free transaction, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Contact us today to get started. Call us at 855-918-4010 to receive a fair cash offer and start your hassle-free home sale journey. Or visit our website to learn more and get started.